guys, Jeff with another DIY. Today it's going to be a container store DIY with Elf instead of a closet organizer. You know, I'm a home inspector and I've just got so many tools and just crap in my office closet here. So what I'm going to do is put an organizer, a pre-packaged one now. I normally build them for all the closets. You guys have seen some of those videos. But this is just a pre-package. It's going to go here. It should take, gosh, 30-40% of the stuff out of the closet. So let's get started. Should just take 10 minutes or so. Six of those. So it works great. Looks like it's something I could get a lot of use out of. Got a bunch of little bottles up here too, all my other things I could put in there. I could stack those. So check this out. It's get it at Container Store online. I'll have a link below. There's a little savings there too. And I hope you enjoy it. Thanks so much. Bye.